Hello, and welcome to Blend Tea. From the very beginning we have only ever worked with premium tea. Made with the best 1% of all tea available together with the best herbs, citrus fruits, flowers and spices that the world has to offer for a truly superior tasting experience. Our packaging is recyclable, and when it comes to waste management we follow the strict Italian and European regulations on recycling. Our infusers are biodegradable and sealed with ultrasound. We demand only the best protection for our teas, the gold standard of packaging materials. We buy our teas and herbs from responsible suppliers. Some ingredients are organic, all are 100% natural. All blends are tested according to strict food safety guidelines before, during and after packaging. We use the best ingredients, so when it comes to tea bags, we offer our blends exclusively in 100% biodegradable and compostable transparent infusers. We were among the first pioneers to introduce these pyramid bags in 2003, and ever since then, we have continued to improve them. A multi-layer film with attractive graphics on the outside, the natural touch of paper, and the protection of aluminium. An unbeatable barrier against humidity and oxygen, finished with a PE film to maintain the highest standards of food safety and hygiene. The best way to serve a fresh leaf tea, with all its essential oils and aromas intact. We design our blends with a typically Italian approach. They must be delicious to the palate, aromatic to the nose, and finally, beautiful to look at. We don't offer hundreds of blends, just the right ones. From tea leaves to real bergamot essential oil, we select only the best we can find, and everything is tested and retested to make sure that what you drink is as safe as it is delicious. Creating something beautiful doesn't necessarily have to cost more. So why not give it a try? We wanted to create a package that was luxurious, but also natural, peaceful, fresh, colorful and friendly. We hope we have succeeded and that it can bring some beauty into your everyday life. Thanks for taking the time to look at our video. Please like, share, subscribe. And to get more information about Blend Tea and our products, visit blendtea.com.